Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of removing a message from a messenger chat in Facebook on your PC. If you've sent a message by mistake or want to delete a message from a conversation, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Facebook and log in to your account. Step 2. Look for the messenger icon located at the top right corner of your Facebook homepage and click on it. Step 3. Click on the desired chat from the list of conversations. Step 4. Find the specific message you want to remove and click on the 3 dots located next to it. Step 5. A list of options will appear. Select Remove. Step 6. Another list will appear. Select Remove for you. Step 7. Finally, click on the Remove button to confirm and remove the message from the chat. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a message from a messenger chat in Facebook on your PC. This feature allows you to delete messages for yourself, ensuring a clean and clutter-free conversation. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.